Brandon's dog just walked across the street and sat on Bailey for no apparent reason.
Is he a female?
No, it's a dude. Oh my God. Yo, I'm done. Yo, Brandon, your dog's not sorted out.
Huh?
Your dog's not straight like leg on Bailey's legs. Yo, tell me. Yo, tell me why.
Check niggas tap finals 5th time is the try.
Oh my God.
What?
Tell me why Kilo was sitting on Bailey's legs, right? Big ass nuts laying her fucking leg, resting, like resting on her shit, like.
Yo, you might want to wash that leg, like. Struggle.
Big ass booty, yo.
Like that, like.
No,
I got the cake, like.
Damn, cake finish.
Niggas is big, like.
Done.
She might want to go wash her leg, like.
Covering
Those nuts are ancient, like. Filled with dust.
funniest thing.